नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव। IndusInd Bank and Shriram Finance among 55 companies announcing December quarter earning today. Q3 result live. Around 55 companies are announced their result for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026 today. In India, Adani Green Energy, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, BPCL, Cipla, DCB Bank, Godrej Consumer Products, Granules India, India Cement, IndusInd Bank, JSW Energy, JSW Steel, Laurus Labs, Multi Commodity Exchange of India, Nuvama Wealth Management, Porras Defense, Shriram Finance, and Sona BLW, Precision Forgings are some of the notable names among them. Q3 result live. Adani Green Energy sale fell 2.5% ahead of the Q3 earning announcement. The share of Adani Green Energy dropped 2.5% to trade at $882 apiece. The company is set to release its result for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026 today. Q3 result live. Which company are announcing their Q3 result today? Around 55 companies are announcing their results for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026 today. Adani Green Energy, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Cipla, DCB Bank, Godrej Consumer Products, Granules India, Indian Cement, IndusInd Bank, JSW Energy, or many others companies announced their Q3 results today. And Q3 result lives. Indigo shares fall 3% after Q3 earnings announcement. The shares of Interglobe Aviation dropped more than 3% to trade at rest 4,761 apiece. This comes after the company disclosed a sharp year-on-year fall in reported net profit for the December quarter. Weight is down by the sizable one-time exceptional items linked to the implementation of new labor codes and operational disruption during early December. The company had said this exceptional charge